Welcome back guys. This is Hanu Singh and in this video I will talk about the courses on Coursera which you can get for free. You don't have to pay any fee to Coursera to buy those courses. You can easily get brilliant courses on data science, machine learning, graphic designing, UX UI designer. A lot of courses are free here, and how you can get paid courses in free. So let's start. So now you are watching my Coursera screen. I log in with my details in Coursera. Now I click on any random. I want to this course, wireframes, low fidelity prototypes. Now let's see how you can, and it's saying the enroll for free. Now it is saying that if you want to this course, then you can audit means you can get this course for free, but you will not get any certificate. Look, now it starts, you can easily use that. So another thing is that if there is no audit, how you can get that course, and if you want certificate, how you will get. I went back to this course. Now this is saying the go to course, but I don't have some courses are not available for audit. So let's I will click on enroll for free. So now it said that start free trial. If you want to start free trial, then you will get that courses for 7-day free trial. But what if you don't want to pay? Then click on financial aid available. Continue to the application. So we reached on the page of financial aid. So read this carefully and accept this. We ask that everyone shares accurate information on their application. Commits to finish their Coursera courses. A lot of people get the course but they didn't complete. That's why they are committing that you will complete this course, and copy this. I agree to the terms above. And continue. Now your education background, that you are some college, your annual income that $0. So employee status, you are a student, and you definitely you can't afford, that's why you have applied for any financial aid. And write 150 words why are you applying for financial aid, like you don't have money that much you can pay for the courses. I want this course because I want to be a machine learner, I want to learn Python, and how will taking this course help you achieve your career goals, that you want to pursue job in data science, that's why you are doing data science. Write 150 words in this. And would you consider using a low interest loan? Definitely no. If answer no, please help understand by. Write something that I am not a robot. Click on the crosswalks. Then verify. Then you will submit your application, and then within 15 days, approximately 15 days, you will get the email in which they will give you course. So don't worry about that, just apply that. You will learn a good thing, and that is the awesome thing of financial aid. You have seen how you can get paid courses for free with the help of financial aid and audit. Audit means you can't, sometimes you will not get certificate, and certificate doesn't matter. Learning is the matter the most. So focus on learning, not on certificate. If you didn't get any certificate, just focus on learning. That learning will definitely help you. So building a skill is much better than building only a certificate. So thank you so much for watching. We will talk in next video with next content, with next brilliant content. Please write down some comments what type of videos do you want, and thank you so much for watching.